Thursday, January 23rd, 3:01 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. I took one day trade this morning, bullish on the S&P 500 futures, and closed with profits. I'm very disappointed. I left a lot of money on the table, and I didn't get out as early as I should have. Shame on me for calling it a scalp. Let's go to the charts. I took screenshots before I went into the trade. Took screenshots after the trade too. Pre-market, I look here at the watch list. So this was at 06:37 a.m. Watch list of the futures. Right off the bat, these yellow rectangles means they didn't take out the high or low of the prior day. And the ES and Q are both red. YM is green. Divergence. Just looking at watch lists, not enough. Go to the charts. It's the same three top indexes. The futures, top down, meaning that I start with a higher time frame, the daily. So the far left is the daily 1 month chart, ES. The middle is the NQ, and the right is the YM. All three of them have in common that they had the inside candle at 0638, meaning they didn't take out the high or low of the prior day. Showing bearish bias. Not really. Just showing indecision. Don't know what's going to happen. Take it to the lower time frame, the 4 hour. So on the far left, you can see the ES trending down, the middle NQ trending down, and the YM on the far right. That chart on the far right, YM, the Dow Jones, it's stronger. That's strong bullish bias going towards that one. I want to take it to a lower time frame. Now it's the 1 hour chart, the three grids. Look at that. The ES on the far left, the NQ in the middle, and the YM on the far right. Certainly see the Dow is the stronger one. Then I go to the product I'm going to trade, the S&P 500 futures. I call this screenshot the radar. Multiple time frames, top down, far right, 4 hour. The next one from the far right, the far right is the daily one. The next one, second one from the right is the 4 hour. Third one from the right is the 1 hour. And the last one on the left is the 15-minute. The 15-minute, see those green and purple? That green box is the Asian session, followed by the London session. So we have lower low, lower high overnight. And then you can see the current price to the right of the purple box. Again, it's 0646 a.m. We're still inside the range of the London session. What's good about that is we're not making lower lows. So the buyer is holding it up. Looking at the 1 hour chart, the second one from the left. Again, see these 1 hour consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. Nice. 4 hour inside candle indecision. But that red candle, big wick on the bottom, buyers coming in, holding it up. We did not test 6,100, big round number. That's good. Next screenshot, 7 o'clock, 0700, top of the hour. Top of the hour, far right, the daily grid, still inside candle. 4 hour grid, still inside candle. The 1 hour chart, second one from the left, higher high, higher low. And look at the 15-minute chart on the far left. The London session purple, we already broke above it. Nice. Bullish bias working out well. Now we have the scalping on the faster time frame by 1 minute and 5 minute charts. Again, same thing, S&P 500 futures. Left is the 1 minute, right is the 5 minute. Take a minute, look at the lines. Look what I have labeled. Those yellow lines, the horizontal ones, are swing points, potential trade ideas off them. The vertical lines, the gray, that's top of the hours. The orange, that's pending news. And the yellow horizontal line is the New York session open 9:30. Yeah, don't want to be in a trade during the economic news nor the New York session open. So I label those. I have situational awareness. I look at this. Don't have to necessarily look at a clock or be distracted by alarms. Okay, that's 0734. Again, 1 minute chart on the left, we're very close to that swing point, that yellow horizontal line. 0736, left chart, 1 minute chart, we broke above that swing point, breakout to the upside, not taking a trade. This is my strategy. Seating my hands, watching for that pullback for a reversal. 0739. So on the far right, that 5 minute green candle. Yeah, broke above, higher high, higher low. We did not take out the low of that red candle yet. That's good. On the 1 minute chart on the left, we're reversing. Still not taking a trade yet. 0740. So on the far right, the 5 minute chart, we have that big bearish pin bar, expecting a retest to that high or somewhere close to that. And we're making higher highs, higher lows, you can see on the 5 minute. On the left, 1 minute, we haven't had a trend reversal yet for me to enter. And 0741. Look at that left chart. For 1 minute, the white candle means open and close, same price, dodgy, and we broke above it. I went long, in long. So I label that vertical line right there, gray. I'll update that momentarily. So I'm in bullish, 0741. 0745, that gray line, I labeled it, see, it says long on top, and I changed the dot kind. So you know exactly that's where I went long. Yep, on the 5 minute on the left, we have that imbalance area. I'm expecting this to get retested and potentially reload for another trade. Okay, I still want to get out where it's testing that, well, waiting for that test at that top of that wick, that 5 minute. 0747, 0750. You can see on the 1 minute, we're making lower lows, lower highs. And the 5 minute also on the far right, we broke below those 5 minute candles. 0750. That big green candle, pop, nice. Good, I'm hoping we're going to run up, so I close my trade up there on that one left chart. 0753, ran up. Didn't close my trade. Shame on me. Yep. And already doing that reversal. Shame on me. Didn't close it. 0755. See this holding up strong. Still didn't close my trade yet. Shame on me. Getting ready to close at 8:30 news. I don't want to be in the position. 8 o'clock a.m. 0800. Top of the hour. Testing this price area. See on the left, the 1 minute, and see on the right, the 5 minute. That bearish pin bar, that big green bearish pin bar is where I want to originally close it. Shame on me, I didn't close it. Okay, so I'm looking back here on the radar, the ES, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute, because it's 8 o'clock. I want to look at what the situation is on top of the hour. Situation is the daily, still inside candle, the 4 hour, still inside candle, the 1 hour, strong, trending up. The 15 minute, look at the far left. Again, we broke above the London session. The trend is strong. Bullish bias. Okay, 5 minutes after 8 o'clock. Wow, look at that. 5 minute chart on the far right. New highs. And the left chart, again, we way broke above where I went long. Should have already taken my profits. Still in the trade. 0807, just look at the 1 hour indexes of the ES, NQ, and YM. Still see the NQ in the middle chart, consolidation phase, the ES on the far left starting to trend up, and the Dow on the far right, YM, is trending up. Okay, 0809. Wow. Huge dump, huge sell-off, panic selling on the 1 minute. And look at the 5 minute, testing that imbalance area. I'm still in the position. Wow. Shame on me. Several opportunities I had to close the trade for profits. Shame on me. 0811. Look at the 1 minute chart. Inside candles forming, buyers stepping in. 0820, buyers stepped in, and we went lower. 5 minute chart on the far right. The balance area is filled and about to hit the 8:30 economic news. Not cool. I don't want to be in position. 0823, 0929, 1 minute before the news comes out. Looking at the top down, the ES. Yep, still inside candle, the daily, the 4 hour. The 1 hour, look at that big retracement. And the 15-minute big retracement too, back inside the London session. Okay, news about to come out in a moment. Looking here on the 1 minute. The orange vertical line where the news will be coming out. Holding over there, an acceleration. Back below that breakout that occurred earlier. Okay, that purple vertical line is where I bought. I'm in a position still. And all that opportunity up there is still shame on me. 0831, economic news came out. With a 1 minute candle, went higher high, higher low, and a new high, taking out these highs since I got in the position. I'm still in the position. Shame on me. 0831. Another swing high tested up here. See that yellow line? Wow. Another one. Again, should have closed. I'm still in the position. 0835. So since we tested that swing high up here, pull back. We didn't have the trend reversal yet after that. But after this inside candle, the bottom right there, then we have the trend reversal. So that little white candle, another opportunity to reload bullish bias. Yep, another opportunity to reload bullish. 0841. So again, nice. Got in that trade right there, taking off. And look at the 5 minute chart on the far right, bearish pin bar, that big red one over the economic news at 8:30. Expecting a retest. 0848. See the left chart, that green vertical line. I closed the trade. Close it, took profits. I'm out of the trade. Took a lot of the mindset to watch the screens. Looking at the screens, not the best. Takes a strain on the eyes. So I closed it, took a profit. That's good. I'm good at it. Profits earlier. Yeah. 0848. Looking at the radar, the ES. Again, look at the 15-minute chart on the far left. Strong. Went up there. Now it's in the Asian session. Testing the Asian session. And on the 1 hour right here, I'm still expecting these areas to be tested up here. That balance area, that midpoint right there, that 1 hour. And again, strong there on the 4 minute. We already broke out. Remember this 4 hour candle? Was it inside candle? Yellow? We broke above it. Higher high, higher low. 0850. Looking at the 1 hour charts on the key index futures. 9 o'clock, 0900, top of the hour, new hour, plus that 4 hour candle. It's done. Look at that. Left chart, green, vertical line. I got out there, it's got higher, higher high. 0900, again, top of the hour. Look at the daily, 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute. Less than 30 minutes. The 9:30 market opens. So I shut down, walked away, but this is a screenshot, 11:51. So let's put this back so you can see again my first chart, how the day started. Get a perspective at the 7 o'clock one I want to show you. So you can compare it with live now. Again, this is the ES, far left 15 minute. Second one from the left, the 1 hour. The middle one on the far right, 4 hour, and the far right daily. Now let's go look at the live update. This is live right now. Look at 315 chart. Look at the 15-minute chart on the far left. Wow, way up there. Yep, my bullish bias was good. And look at the 1 hour. Second grid from the left. See this imbalance area? I said I expected that to be tested, as well as that midpoint. Yeah, it happens. Nice. Ran up. So a lot of money I left on the table. And the 4 hour. So that's green candle here. See that red candle? That touched that imbalance here in the 4 hour. That green one, that was the original inside candle. Look how strong it ran up. Testing that impulse move up. And the ES made a new high for the year today. We did not take out the high of 2024 yet. Nope. See, the 2024 is all the way back here, but this is how we're doing. And finishes off by showing you some places on the, using the 5 minute chart. Yes, 5-minute chart of some places I was looking for potential retest. See this gray zone left to right? That was a potential target I was thinking we might go to on the upside. Broke above it. Yeah, nice. So all these things I was thinking on the upside worked out well, ran up. Didn't lose. Lesson learned. Stick to my game plan. Stick to my game plan. Should have stayed with my game plan. I would have been out sooner, possibly getting another 2 bullish trades. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.